Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today on my channel I'm doing something very creative for my own home. I'm doing a creative switchboard design with Perler Beads. So let me just show you. So this is the switchboard which we will recreate with a Perler bead design. And so let's measure this. So this is the pegboard and now we will measure. I think it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, so we need to leave 18 beads space here, and from this side again it's 18. Yes, so let's do it together. In this creative project I really want to make a butterfly switchboard, and I want to use these glow in the dark beads. So let's create something with these beads as they glow when it's totally dark in the room. So stay tuned with me till the very end so that you can see if it's actually work or not. Okay, so let's start with the border first. So we need to create a border which, okay, let's start with the border first, then I will explain. So basically this is our frame, so we will not add anything in the center. We will add everything outside this area so that we can fit our switchboard very easily. Okay, I think I need to add one more line here. Okay, we will see at the very end, but for now let's make butterfly. Okay. So the border is ready. Now we will cover the entire butterfly with the glow in the dark beads. So let's do it. So now it's ready. Let's try to put this into my this goes. Let's try. Oh yes, this looks pretty. Yes. Let's try to switch off all the lights. Wait. Okay, so this is how it looks in the dark. I think something is visible. Can you see? Yes, something is visible.